Hi children, happy to meet you again. Today we are going to teach a very interesting topic, sexual reproduction in human. What is mean by sexual reproduction? The sexual reproduction means this is one of the method of reproduction which occurs in all higher plants and higher animals. Just as plants and animals or gives rise to other plants and animals like in human being to produce their babies that are resemble their parent. These parents are finally which grow into an adult. In this type, two sex, male and female, the involvement of the sexual organ, fusion of the gametes takes place. In this type, new varieties, new variations are arise. Now, the reproductive system, when the reproductive systems are a function, the reproductive system in human develop and function under the influence of certain chemical substances. These chemical substances we call it as hormones. Without hormone, there is no chance to growth and development. Now, the hormones are a gonadotropin, sex hormones play a very important role to formation of gametes, production of the young one. The reproductive organs are become functional only after the attaining sexual maturity. After attain the what means a sexual maturity. In case of the human male, the sexual maturity occurs at the age of 14 to 16 years, while in females in between at the age of 11 to 13 years. That time only, that is a reproductive organs are functional. Mainly functional. Now, during the age of 14 to 15 in a male, the following changes are occurs. Now, what are the following changes? When the male are attained the what means a puberty, some changes, suddenly the voice will be changing. The voice become deeper. That is a masculine voice. Growth of the hairs and other body parts, especially on the face and all body parts, armpit and pubic region, to growth of the what means a hairs. The next is muscles are start to develop very strong. You have muscles storing in the body, arms and body region, chest regions. This is a secondary sexual characters of male. While in case of the female, what are the changes are occurs during the what means is a puberty. Now the puberty occurs in the female at the age of 11 to 13 years. The following changes are occurs in the female body. What are the following changes? We have to see the what means a development of the breast in females, mammary gland development. The next is the development of the hip, widening of the hip region. The bones are pelvic bones are widening. Hip development. Voice become the what means high pitched voice. That is nothing but is a feminine voice. These are called the what is secondary sexual characteristics of the female. While the females are reaching the what means a puberty, some changes are occurs within the body. Now we go for the what means is a organs of the male reproductive system. In case of the human male, what are the reproductive system parts? What are the organs are involved? In this, a pair of testes in plural form, in singular is a testis. A pair of testes, epididymis, and a pair of vas deferens. This is otherwise we call the word is sperm duct. The next is a penis, is a male copulatory organ, reproductive organ. Now we have to see the what means a male reproductive system. Now in case of the male reproductive system, it consists of first one is a pair of testes. This is a pair of testes. testes. These testes are mainly which are found within our, this is a hip region, below the waist region. In this region is a pubic region which contain the what means a one sag like structure. This is nothing but is a scrotal sag, scrotal sag, scrotal sag. These scrotal sacs are found or hanging outside of the body, which contain the ovoidal gland. This gland is called the word is testis. This is we call the word is testis. The testis are produce the what means is a sperm. Produce the sperm. Sperm is nothing but we call the sperm. This sperm is also called a male reproductive cell or male gamete. Gamete means sex cell, we call the word is gamete. Now, a pair of the duct is coming or coming outside and going up. This is we call the word is sperm duct. This duct is called the word is sperm duct. Otherwise we call the word is vas deferens. This is we call the word is vas deferens. This vas deferens are carries the sperm and going to the vermin and ended with urethra. This part is called the word is urethra. Now that is called urethra and ended with a front portion of the what means a reproductive organ is called, this is a penis. This part we call the word is penis. This is we call the word is penis, opens into the penis. Now in this region, now that is a sperms are comes out, come out through the what means a opening. This is now this entire structure, this is called the word is penis. This is one of the copulatory organ which helps to penetrate the what means a sperm into the female body, to penetrate the sperm into the female body, to ejaculate the what means a sperm, ejaculate the sperm. Along with this, some of the gland, prostate gland and bulbotridial gland, these are mainly to connected with what means is a reproductive system, reproductive associated reproductive gland, associated reproductive gland. This is mainly for the what means is a production of the what means sperm. Next we have to go for the what means organs of the female reproductive system. In female reproductive system mainly consists of following parts, namely a pair of ovaries. Ovaries are found in the abdominal region. Now from the ovaries which gives rise to one duct is comes, that is a oviduct, otherwise we call the word is fallopian tube, fallopian tube. The next is in both the tube are joined in the front region, we call the word is uterus, that is also called a womb. The next part is a female reproductive opening is called a vagina. Female reproductive opening is called a vagina. This is a female reproductive system. The female reproductive system is found in the what means a pair of ovaries. This is called the word is ovaries. The ovaries are every monthly once from the any one of the ovary to produce the what means is a egg. This egg is enters into the oviductal funnel and enters into the oviduct. This is called a oviduct, also called a fallopian tube. Now in this region here, the meeting point of the what means is sperm, the sperm and the egg are joining. The fusion of the fertilization takes place within the inside of the what means a oviduct. This type of the fertilization is known as internal fertilization. Internal fusion of the fertilization takes place within the body. Fertilization. Fertilization means fusion of male gamete with female gamete. Now the two ducts are joined to form a pear-like structure. This structure we call the word is this region uterus. This is we call the word is uterus. That uterus, lower part of the uterus, this region we call the word is cervix. Cervix. This is we call the word is cervix. Cervix. Now the lower portion of the muscular tubular like structures which connected to the what means a outer, this region outer is called vulva. Now this region we call it as a what means mainly this region we call it as a what means vagina. This is a tubular like structure. Now the vagina is act as a what means a birth canal after the matured the what means a baby, that is a deliver the what means a send the what means a baby outside through the what means this tube. This is it act as a what means a birth canal. It act as a what means birth canal. Now the vagina is a to send out the what means a matured babies are sent out. It has serve as a what means a birth canal. Serve as a birth canal. Now, what are the parts of the what means a female reproductive system means a pair of ovary, a pair of oviduct. Oviduct is also called a fallopian tube. Within the fallopian tube, fertilization will be takes place. After the result of the what means a fusion of the gamete, that is fertilization, fertilized egg. The fertilized eggs is come and attached in the lining of the what means uterus until they are grow. After that is called a fertilized egg. This is a one cell zygote. That zygote after the fertilized, it has been is a divides. One cell is divides into two cell. After that is a two cell divided into four cells. Four cells are a divide. One cell, two cell, four cell, and 8 cell. They are a dividing afterwards to form the ball of the cell. Now this is a cell is a turn into the what means a embryo. In this condition we call it as a embryo. This is occurs within the mother womb till 9 months or otherwise is a 280 days. 280 days they are a within the what means a uterine of the what means a female body. Afterwards the baby is completely grown. They are come outside through the what means a vaginal tract. Now that is a vagina and cervix are act as a what means birth canal to send out the what means a baby. Now this is a very important internal structures. Now in this case the million, now male is produce the what means nearly millions of the sperms are produced in his testes. Mainly in each day they are produced the millions of cells. But while in case of the female, every monthly once the human females are produced the only one egg from its ovary. The only one egg is released either from the right side of the ovary or left side of the ovary. So now approximately every 28 days once the egg will be released. That cycle is called the what is menstrual cycle. Now fertilization is here. What is mean by fertilization? Male gamete fuses with the female gamete. This is we call the what is fertilization. This fertilization is occurs in where oviduct. The oviduct is act as a what means garbhapay. Now we call the what is oviduct. Otherwise we call the what is fallopian tube. Fertilization takes place within the female's body. Otherwise we call the what is internal fertilization. The fertilized egg is a afterwards implantation. What is mean by implantation? Fertilized egg is a fixed the wall of the what means a uterus. This process is called the what is implantation. After the implanted the egg, that is a fertilized egg, it undergoes to develop and form the complete development, and finally a baby will come out. This is childbirth or parturition. This is occurs after the 280 days after or otherwise 9 months after. 9 months after. So when the egg is fertilized, it splits into the what means one cell is divides into 2 is 4 is 8 like this, and cells are changes into the what means new individual. The time between fertilization and birth, the fertilization and the birth, the time duration between the fertilization and birth we call the what is pregnancy, thoimai kalam or gestation. This gestation period in human is 280 days. 280 days. Now, what is the difference between the male gamete and female gamete? Male are produce the sperms, females are produce the egg. That is, the sperms are always is very small in size. The sperms are always is very small in size. A tip acrosome is there, nucleus is there. They swim very fast. They move towards the what means egg, towards the egg. Have no stored food material. There is no any stored food material. While in case of the egg, this egg is a size is nearly 120 millimeter diameter. 120 millimeter diameter. This is look like the what means a head of the pin. Head of the pin. Right, large in size. They do not move much. They store the what means have stored the what means a food material. Have stored the food material. Now we have to see the what means a picture. This is a sperm structure. It consists of head, middle piece and tail. long tail. It can able to useful for swim. The next part, this is nothing but we call the word is human ovum. That is a human ovum, look like the outermost covering, follicle cells, cytoplasm and nucleus and zona pellucida. This is the structure of the ovum. From this lesson we learned that is a male is responsible to production of the sperm, female is responsible to production of the egg. The fertilization is occurs within the female body. That fertilization is called internal fertilization. Internal fertilization. As a result, that is a young one, the babies are developed. This type of the reproduction is known as sexual reproduction. Thank you, children.